Okay guys, so for science we've been talking about Earth's forces and we did an experiment with lava eruption. Y'all looked over some vocabulary words yesterday. So now we're going to actually talk about Earth's forces and how they change the Earth's surfaces, okay? And so as you are listening to me read, pay attention because I will ask you some questions. I'm going to highlight some things that I feel like are important for you to know, and then you will have some questions to answer, and I will take a grade on those. Okay? So, the Big Island of Hawaii is the largest of the Hawaiian Islands. It is home to a very active volcano, the Kailua. I'm going to look that up and see how we pronounce it. Let's see if I can find something. Kilauea volcano. The Kuilea volcano has been active since 1983. The lava that flows from the volcano has added 500 acres of new land to the island. Okay, so it is very active. So if you were on Zoom with me last week, we actually watched a video, and this is one of the most active volcanoes in the U.S. So it's a very active volcano, and it has added 500 acres of new land to the island. So the lava, if you can see here, it says slow-moving lava from the volcano hardens as it flows across the land, and that's what's making the new land. So adding land from cooling lava can be good. It provides more space for plants and animals to live. However, hot lava from volcanoes can also destroy habitats that was already there. Okay, so the good thing about it is it provides it provides space for plants and animals to live. The bad thing about it is it destroys habitats that were already there. Okay, so there is good and bad. Volcanoes are not the only powerful force that changes Earth's surface. Earthquakes and landslides can quickly move land to new locations. So volcanoes, earthquakes, and landslides change Earth's surfaces. Okay, so those are the three things. What happens when strong forces change the land very quickly? Okay. How can large pieces of Earth move around? So how does that happen? How are they just able to move? So let's read. If you could cut Earth in half, you would see 3 different layers. These layers are the crust, mantle, and core. So the 3 different layers of Earth are crust, mantle, and core. The crust includes the land that we see and the bottom of the ocean. Think of the crust like big plates on Earth's surface. The plates constantly move next to each other. The movement is usually very slow. Sometimes the movement is fast. When plates bump into each other, we can feel the collision as Earth moving beneath our feet. Have you ever felt an earthquake or heard of one happening somewhere? That's just crust moving around. So earthquakes are the Earth's crust moving around. Okay, and so the crust and the upper mantle move together to move land from one place to another. Okay, so here's the crust and the upper mantle, and that's what's moving. So remember, there's 3 types of layers: crust, mantle, core. And when the crust is moving, that's what's making the earthquake. Look out. Land moves on Earth every day. Most of this movement is very small enough that we can't even feel it. Over time, though, these changes add up. Millions of years ago, Earth's continents were in completely different locations. In another million years, the continents will be in different places than they are today. How do volcanoes change Earth's surface? So this is kind of what had to do with our experiment. Most land formations are stable. They stay in the same place for millions of years. The Rocky Mountains in North America have been there for at least 1.7 billion years. Okay, so the Rocky Mountains have been there for 1.7 billion years. That's a very long time. When powerful forces act on land, however, the change can be dramatic and quick. In 1980, Mount St. Helens erupted in Washington state. The volcano blast was powerful. It created a big crater 2 miles wide. The top of the volcano was actually lost in the eruption. Take a look at the before and after picture above. What differences do you see? So here's the before, here's the after. The photo on the left shows Mount St. Helens before it erupted in 1980. The photograph on the right shows the crater that formed atop of the volcano after the eruption. So you kind of see it kind of had like an almost rounded point. Now it's kind of caved in. Volcanoes allow melted rock to reach the surface of Earth. Under Earth's surface, the liquid rock is called magma. So under Earth's surface, the liquid rock is called magma. So the liquid rock is called magma. When magma reaches the surface, it is called lava. When lava erupts quickly, it can change large areas of land. Over time, though, the lava cools and forms new rocks and soil. Do you know you can make a mini volcano in your kitchen? We kind of did that already. So, the liquid rock under the Earth's surface is called magma, and when the magma reaches the surface, it's called lava. Okay? So, you're going to answer some questions for me. If you paid attention, a lot of the answers will be what I highlighted, so you can go back into the video to find your answers.